people, Nado, welcome to another yarnings. Today my yarnings na about how this Premier League weekend go. Man, this one na the first time when I dey see almost all the big club lose, and the people make on the top hunger to take advantage. Man, the result this weekend moves me. Like, I don't believe say Liverpool go lose to Brentford. Normal, I know say this season Brentford really dey ball, even with the two of their star players when they say one of their best defender, their goalkeeper when they bring from loan, all those kind of things last season, they do well. And that Chelsea match really shocked me because Chelsea scored very early. I just say no level. I want a close shot. Chelsea don't win the match. I can't shock now. Later I can't see Chelsea lose. Like, how come Chelsea will lose that match? Man U really shocked myself because Brighton dey form. And not only say Brighton dey form, Brighton seem to dey do well for Old Trafford. So inside me, I just say that match go tight. Yes, Brighton go see knack am. The way and Welbeck still get all that stupid habit of dey score against Man U. They still score but Man U still lose. Then today own na wey really shock me na that Man City. Like, normal as Villa score early, I say Man City go see yes, no be City wey we know. They'll still dig and they'll still win. Now Arsenal just shock me for with the way the Arsenal dey be, people will say they'll follow. They don't really ball like that too. If you say balling, Arsenal not really ball. But one thing when I notice Arsenal their defense, they really invest for their defense this season. And they're investing now and believe say it could work for their favor. They buy very, very good defenders. Like defenders when they buy this season. Now defenders when be say normal. They be first stress from where they come from. They know you'll be bench players, they be first stress. And they good, no be able to say they'll be first stress from where they come from, they're good too. And I dey believe in that defense go win Arsenal league this season. Because this one the first time, I don't remember when almost all Arsenal rivals for the title lose, draw point. Arsenal you take advantage fully, win match. The funny aspect is if you watch their match, they don't really play well. That defense just win them the match. People they thought say Arsenal na corner kick, Arsenal na boring team. Wetin I don't realize and say do wetin work for you. Because last night those days under Arsene Wenger wey be say Arsenal dey play beautiful football anyhow. You score 5, Arsenal go score 6. Wetin still happen? No be don't forget when Arsenal throw 4 goal lead against Newcastle away that time. So it don't really matter how the team win, so far they win. It don't really matter whether they play beautiful football, so far they win. Then just be the thing now because I believe say it ought to take. So I believe say this team as a whole, so they need to win trophy. Because if you look at their two pairing for central defense, the Gabriel and the Saliba, all those people deserve title. And I did impressed so far with their game so far this season. Everybody they holla. Say set piece. Arsenal is corner they score. If you easy run now, this is not beans. For preseason where everybody get the same time for preseason to take practice with them on practice. Arsenal use their own take practice corner kick. They don't become the best now when it comes to corner. People they holla. And that Liverpool coach they win the most. When they complain about it in set piece long throw, they use that they do you shaking now. But 10 minutes when you find goal, you can't do the same long throw. So all those kind of things, they make sense. Sure, but the season still long. I don't go lie. But so far I don't think impressed with Arsenal. Bournemouth the second. It is shocking with everybody when they don't say they did second for league. See Sunderland will come from relegation. Sunderland signed 15 players. But see Sunderland. As in this season, so many offset go deal. I did not see one old team go see me Champions League. We could not see expect. And people move with the say they be now. Now League Cup this midweek. Now tuning. Now they give an update as they go. So now paging vibes. Normal level street the Yana. Now we just there go on. Don't forget to subscribe or click the notification button. Don't forget to visit our website www.pidginvibes.com My people, una do